is Treasure. This is my patient Kat, and today we're going to be doing a helmet fitting. So first we would stimulate sweat. So in reality we would get the head wet to stimulate that. And then next we're going to follow the manufacturer's directions on the helmet fitting. So the first step we want to do is to measure the head. So in inches, we want to start at least 2 fingers above the eyebrows. Place it there. Then we'll go all the way around. Okay. So got 22 inches. And we would go off the size chart of the Riddell helmet sizes, which would be a large for Kat. So I will grab this helmet. We have our helmet here. To put it on, I would tell Kat to place your fingers in the ear holes, pull out, and then slide it over your head. Good. So once she has it on, there's a few things we want to look for to make sure it's properly fitted. We want to make sure that the top of the helmet is at least 2 to 3 fingers above the eyebrows, which in this case we're going to have to bring it up some. Then we want to look and make sure that it covers the back of the occiput, which it does. And then the last thing we want to look for is the ear holes. So you want to make sure you can be able to see the auditory, external auditory canals, the ear holes. So we're going to do a little bit of adjusting to get this properly fitted to her head. So the first thing I want to do is to lift the helmet 2 to 3 fingers above the eyebrows. So we're going to insert some air into the top bladder up here. Thing is we want to look at the jaw pad. So we want it to fit firmly on the jaw. So the next test we can do is called a credit card test, and basically we just want it to be snug enough on her jaws that only the credit card can slide through. So we'll do this. It is a little loose, so I will add just a little bit of air on that side, and then just a little bit on this side, like 1 pump into the jaw bladders here. Check again. Much better. Same thing on this side. Good, perfect. So now we're going to adjust and fit her chin strap. Also, you want to make sure that you're 2 to 3 fingers away from the face guard to the nose and from the forehead. Same thing. Then for the chin strap, so the top straps come through, up and through the face mask on both sides, and then the bottom straps come out, down and around. If we connect the bottom straps of the chin strap, you can see that they're really loose, and we want it to have a firm, snug grip on there. So we need to tighten these. Okay, the last thing we want to do is the last test we're going to do is check to make sure that it won't move around, it'll stay snug. You would do this by grabbing the face guard and just moving side to side, making sure it doesn't wiggle, and same thing with up and down, making sure that it stays put. And then you want to check pressure. So we would do on the side of the head, and then we would do axial pressure up and down. Then we also want to have her open her jaw and mouth to make sure it doesn't move with the movement there. And if we have anything else, we would adjust that.